Okay, we're going to work on the daily schedule page next. It is very easy. So you can click here and get to your edit screen, or always remember, if you get confused, click back to the site, click the page you want, and then go to edit this page, whichever you prefer. Once you get into your daily schedule page, here's just an idea for you to look at. It doesn't have to look exactly like this. I'm just giving you ideas. I just put a table with 2 columns in it and did A day, B day, because I have different schedule for A day, B day. If you don't have different schedule, then obviously you could just do 1 column on your table, whichever works for you. So just come in here, and the page already puts, or the website already puts, a daily schedule title, so you don't really have to type that again. If you want to add something up here, you can. It's totally up to you. The requirement says you just have to have your schedule on there. So I'm just going to go in and hit table. And again, on this one, the rows will be kind of different, because obviously you need a title, then 5 more lines for all of the class periods that you have. So we can just go up here, and we're going to need 6 rows. I need 2 columns. Remember, if you don't have A day, B day, different schedules, you just need 1. This one I left at 100% because you have to type so much in there. Because I have two columns, I wanted it to stretch all the way across. If you're not using 2 columns, then you can change that, like we did last time, to 600 pixels or 600 px. You know, it's totally up to you. There's lots of options you can do this. This is just the way I did it. Header is going to be the first row. Border size, I always pick 2. I like to center it. That's a preference. And then I hit OK. So now I have my 2 columns. So I put A day, and you can see, don't freak out, this starts to do this. But when you type on the other side, it's alright. It straightens itself up. So you could just do first and then put down what you have. I'm just going to say class. I'm just making this up. But see, if I type on each side, it'll keep evening it up. So don't panic if your table starts to move. And once you get it all filled out there, you're just going to hit update. Once it updates, again, you're going to want to go back and check back to site to see what it looks like, to see if you like that. I don't like that this isn't centered, so again, I can go up to edit this page. For some reason, it's showing it centered here, but I'll change it. That's strange. Do them one at a time. Sometimes you get just little glitches in your website, and it just won't work the way you want it to. You just got to work with it the best you can. Update. Go back to site. Still not fixing it. So at this point, I would just decide if I was going to live with that or not. If I really didn't like it, I could call or go to the help center that I'll show you later and ask them why it's not centering it. Or if it's something that you can live with, just leave it alone. But anyway, once you have your daily schedule page done, you're finished. Very easy, very quickly, and you have another requirement done.